Have you ever sat in your cozy department or cozy apartment or the house in Dubai and scrolled through TikTok, YouTube and wondered, oh, how are these people earning millions just from their smartphones? The truth is, yes, people are making fortune online, but here is the secret. They all started somewhere small. And if you're in Dubai or any Gulf country, you're already blessed with cheap internet and access to smartphones. What you don't have for free, really for freeness here, is residence or bills. So you need to start and you need to be smart about creating an online income or online income streams that can support you. Today, I'll be showing you the 10 easiest ways to make money with your smartphones in Gulf countries, especially in Dubai. Before we dive in, I would love to thank you. Welcome to Immaculate Show. This is Christine, and we are here to show you what we do, what people use, and you might not be knowing out there. This is a disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes. Treat it as educational or treat it as entertainment. You need to go ahead, do research, and make sure you make money out of your smartphone. Before we dive in, remember every millionaire you see online started as a beginner, just like you. So don't wait for the perfect moment, because the perfect moment is now. Grab your phone, connect to that fast Gulf internet, and let's build income together. The 10 easiest ways to make money with smartphone in Dubai and the Gulf. One is content creation, YouTube and TikTok and Facebook. What you need to do, record with your phone, share your story, your work or your talent. People in Dubai love lifestyle content, travel content and food. With consistency, you can and you will earn through ads, sponsorship and brand deals. The second one is freelancing apps. When I'm talking about freelancing apps, I talk about Fiverr, Upwork, I talk about many more, and Freelancer. What you need to do here, use your phone to offer skills like writing, translation, designs, or social media management. Gulf clients pay well for fast and quality work. Selling on social media is the third one. Instagram and Facebook marketplace are powerful in Dubai. From clothes to homemade food, people sell directly using just their phones. Drop shipping and e-commerce is the fourth. Set up a Shopify or Noon store. Sell products without even holding the stock. Manage everything from your phone. Influencer marketing is the fifth. Even with 1,000 followers, you can earn as a micro-influencer in Dubai. Brands pay for shoutouts, product reviews, and collaborations. Online tutoring and coaching is the sixth. If you speak English, Arabic, or any skill, use Zoom or WhatsApp or Instagram to teach. Parents in the Gulf pay well for language and academic tutoring. Affiliate marketing, here really you can share product links on WhatsApp status, Instagram or TikTok. Every sale through your link earns your commission. Amazon AE is a good place for you to start from. Photography and videography with your phone is one of the best. Share products, and in Dubai, you can get products at any time. Dubai is full of content opportunities. Sell your smartphone shots on stock websites like Shutterstock, or even to the local business. Paid surveys and small tasks are very massive in Dubai. Apps like Swagback, Toluna, and even Google Pinion Rewards, they can give you extra income while you chill on your sofa, on your bed, on the beach, anywhere you are. Let's say the last but not least is about building a personal brand. Your name can become your business. Share your journey, your work, your story. In the Gulf, trust is currency, seriously. And once people trust you, your brand opportunities will multiply. I know most of you ask, how do I do this? Well, how you can do this is to pick your phone, you just choose one of them or two and start today. So, yes, people in Dubai and across the Gulf are making millions online from their smartphones. But remember, they did not wake up and became rich. They started somewhere with the same phone and internet that you have today. Residence may not be free, but your chance to build a digital income is free. Start now, start small, but most importantly, just start, because the future belongs to those who take action. I want to know, if you found this video helpful, please hit a like button, share it with your friends who also want to earn money online, and subscribe for more practical money making tips. See you in the next video. Bye bye.